Hello everyone, this is Matt with Storm Central for the latest on the forecast for the next couple of days. We have quite a change in temperatures and in the air mass and the jet stream. For the next few days here, today's July 13th, 2011, it's around 4:05 Central Daylight Time. We're going to start off with the jet stream pattern that is forecast to change for the next 10 days here. We're looking at day 1 right now with the jet stream coming in from the Pacific into Northern California, up Oregon, Washington, and then into Canada, and then dipping down to portions of Michigan, and then once again up into the Northeast. As you can see, this will be changing going into day 2 here, as the jet stream pattern shifts a little southward and wants to bring the strongest jet stream winds into portions of Southern California. What this will cause a big change here. Going in here, and let's keep going. Day 3, we have a high pressure forming portions of Texas and Oklahoma. The high pressure expands, and come day 4 here, we now have winds coming off the lake. If you Chicagoans and northwestern Indiana residents remember, as long as Wisconsin, those showers and storms that swiped the area with large hail and strong winds, we could see that type of situation again with these winds coming off the lake. This could be another dangerous situation, as some supercells may form, because looking at the latest energy, there is enough energy with dew points, humidities being high, and this hot dome of air that we'll be showing in a moment. This would be occurring on Saturday or Sunday, as the winds are off the lake. Now, for the rest of the area, we're looking at, let's go back there, we're looking at these jet streams hauling all the way into Southern California, going straight up into Wyoming, South Dakota, straight up into Canada, and then it splits, goes down into eastern Ohio, and then it splits up into portions of Maine areas. Now, what this called, this pattern is a ring of fire area. You have where the storms just ride the jet stream up, and you could get wave after wave showers and thunderstorms in this area. Where the pink area is, and that's where I'm most concerned with, this pink and purple area is where the strongest humid hot air mass will be, with the blues shown indicating the jet stream and the strongest winds here. Going into day 4 into 5 here, once again this pattern does not stop. Shifts a little eastward in portions of Colorado, but that high pressure is still there. Into day 5, this jet stream lifts a little more northward. Once again, still sort of a ring of fire pattern, which will have jet stream winds still going up into Canada. Looking at this expands even more into day 5, going into portions of Ohio, Indiana, up into northern Michigan. We look to see hot and humid air, and as long as this cap breaks, we'll see showers and thunderstorms almost every day potential in the central U.S. Day 6, once again, high pressure still in place, as we still have these chances of showers and thunderstorms. Portions of Southern California could also see some storms with the moisture pumping into the northern from the Pacific areas into Northern California also. Looking at day 6 into day 7 here, we still do not have much of a change. High pressure is building, jet stream winds are shifted a little more northward in central California. Still have the jet stream now, not more of a ring of fire, like a ring, like a bowl shape, but more of a straight across, which we'd have the strongest upper level winds associated into Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Dakotas. So if anything that does pop or severe risk for that day could turn tornadic. Looking into day 7 now, this starts to form more of a ring of fire area. We do have the bowl-shaped form here. Once again, it's more in central California with the jet stream lifts northward. What's this saying right here come day 7? That means we're seeing widespread heat. Portions of Gulf moisture streaming northward. The east, southeast, southwest, Midwest, upper Midwest, portions of the West within Colorado, Ohio Valley, Mississippi River Valley. All of these areas will be seeing heat, and we'll get to that in a moment. Looking into day 8 here, Still looking at this. This is actually expanded a little more for Arizona to New Mexico with hotter temperatures than usual. Day 9 into day 10, once again, a high pressure forming to portions of Illinois. Could send the winds off the lake once again for day 8 into day 9. This is wide span. The jet stream is now lifted way north here, which means hot temperatures for a lot of these areas in the United States. Still with the Gulf moisture pumping northward, and the jet stream still in Central California, hauling up north. And that's all we need to send these temperatures skyrocketing into day 10. Still, this pattern has not changed much, but has settled a little southward to keep Illinois out of the heat risk for day 10. Let's put this in motion now. That is what we're seeing one more time here. That is what we are seeing the situation for the next couple of days. Alright, we're going to take a quicker, closer look now. This is 5-day outlook of the jet stream pattern from the GFS model. Once again, we're seeing almost the same exact situation, verifying this here with the high pressure building and the jet streams lifting northward. That means very hot temperatures for portions of the United States. Now this is a very important thing here. This is what we look at for details here, and we're looking at temperatures all the way up into 90s, where you see this red area on Sunday. On 3-day value, looking at that, the 6-day is not valid, and this would be Tuesday, July 19th, showing the red hauling also into portions of Illinois, not including Chicago though. We're going to take one more loop at this right now. Take a look at this right now. Boom, expansion right on Tuesday. You can see this expanding quite well, and then it will dip down, and then it will likely expand again. Here we go. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday right there, Friday there, and then once again could expand. Once again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That is all 90-degree air mass in that red, and hundreds also is possible for farther south you go into the Central Plains. Alright, not only will we have hot air masses, jet stream forecast, but we'll also see some precipitation forecast also. As this is the latest by the GFSX model here. Is in day 2, we're still looking at some chances of showers and thunderstorms. Days 4 and 5, we could have some showers and thunderstorms running off the lake, which could be severe at that time. Looking at chances almost for severe weather almost every day here, as if the atmosphere is not capped, or if the cap is broken, you will see showers and thunderstorms. This is one of the big players in heat and severe weather. This would be the humidity forecast. For day 1, going into day 1, this would be nighttime. It'll drop a bit, and once again, hot on day 2, but this is where we start to see it. Day 3 into day 4. Day 4 is just overwhelming of heat. You see all that greens in this area. That's 70% humidity, 80% humidity. It is very humid, especially for people, older citizens, people with disabilities, people with health problems. Humidity is not a good thing, especially with people with bad lungs. Also, is hard time breathing. Days 5 also, day 6 still very humid, and to day 7 still very humid temperatures. Alright, we're going to take a look at the storm prediction centers for today. Outlook, slight risk today here. We have a slight risk in portions of Montana, Colorado, portions of Arkansas, Mississippi here. Also could see some isolated scattered severe in portions of Louisiana and Florida here. Tornado 2%, wind 15%, hail 15% also. Into day 2 now, we have chances with possibly a bow line with these strong jet stream winds plowing right into there. That's why it's seeing the curved signature. So we could get a big, large boaking hauling all the way through here, this area. This atmosphere will not be capped tomorrow. then jet stream winds will tend to shift a little bit. Probability 15%. Going into day 3 now. We're looking at day 3. This could be widespread. We could see something pretty big here, possibly, as slight risk for Montana, Dakotas, Nebraska, into portions of Wisconsin and Iowa here, as we can see some isolated scattered severe if the cap breaks, or if the cap is not broken into the later day, we will not see anything. For the next day, let me draw my outlook for 4 to 8 outlook here. If there's cap broken, this is what we will see definitely. We're looking at, 1 second here. We could see something in this area, general area here for severe storms on Sunday or Saturday here, as we could see something with the jet stream hauling this way, more likely into this area here and then dipping down. And with winds running off the lake here, we could definitely see severe storms into the orange area right here, as these could be very severe with winds running off the lake jet stream forecast. Going into all the other days here, we still have chances for severe storms. We have the Gulf moisture, which will be flowing northward, all the way north. We have some moisture coming in over here. We have the jet stream lifting northward into this area here and then dipping south and splits off. So we definitely have a chance for showers and thunderstorms as long as this air mass is not capped for portions of these areas here in red for the next couple of days. Not every day, but different days here, as this jet stream will be very high. Anything that could turn for the next couple of days, the best tornadic chance will be up in this area for the next couple of days, as that's where the jet stream and upper level winds will be. Alright, now we're going to clear that map real quick. We're going to go on to, then come back to that real quick. Let's go back. Let's put off that here. Alright, we're going to take a quick look at the radar here. We're seeing some showers and thunderstorms popping. Portions of Idaho here. Looking at some showers and thunderstorms in Wyoming, much needed, in Utah. Also, showers and thunderstorms in portions of Texas also. New Mexico too. Looking at some isolated severe scattered storms portions with Louisiana over the Gulf into Florida, which is needed, and also into the Carolinas, these scattered pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Looking at severe risks, we're looking at severe risks into portions of Montana, also into Colorado. We have one good little cell here. Let's see if there's a warning on that right now, as that is in Denver area. That's a very nice looking cell. Yeah, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning on that. So if you're in portions by Littleton, I believe, Colorado, I believe, if I saw that right, you need to watch out for pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Also some showers and thunderstorms into portions of New York, which they do need some rain in that area. Alright, we're going to go back one real quick here. I'm going to draw my outlook for heat here. So far, I'm going to be looking at 90 degrees for these portions of areas here for next. This would be starting into Sunday. Looking at 90-degree temps for this areas is mostly likely in these areas. And we're looking at definitely could be a chance for 100-degree temperatures, especially in this area. And like I stated, this will not be going away anytime soon. Looking at the latest forecast models, let's go one more loop through that real quick, as this could be very interesting here, as once we get this going here. Once again, that's looking at that jet stream pattern. Not very good jet stream pattern for hot waves, so we could have ourselves quite a heat wave going on here, as once again this is the outlook for the GFS model. Looking at very severe storms could be occurring with very hot humidity. Stay tuned to Storm Central for the latest for the next couple of days. Thank you.